Look up, it's Pteranodon. Today we're going to draw Pteranodon, an amazing flying reptile from the end of the age of the dinosaurs. Your sketch today is going to have a Pteranodon walking. So these animals actually had a bend right around the claws there where it could fold up so that way it could actually walk on the ground as well as soar through the air. Flying reptile would have been flying along a big inland sea that was actually covering the middle part of North America. It would have been picking up fish and other kinds of things. And it did not have any teeth at all. It's actually an interesting case where birds and these flying reptiles had similar passive evolution that both led to not having teeth, mostly thought to just kind of keep things a little lighter as they're soaring through the air.